You earn a six-figure income, but why is your savings account still at zero? The truth is, you are not rich. You are simply spending every dollar you make on expensive living costs. The education system taught you how to work for others professionally, but it never taught you how to own assets. In this video, I will provide you with 5 specific layers of behavior from the boring stack strategy to help you reach your first $100,000 in cash. Science proves that clear goals increase your chances of success by 42%. To hit this milestone in 1 year, you must keep exactly 384 every working day. It is time to stop dreaming and start using real math. How old are you, and which useless expense is draining your money every month? Comment below. Point 1. The calculus of escape velocity. Most people treat their financial goals like a wish. The elite treat them like an engineering problem. If your objective is to accumulate $100,000 in a single year, you are looking at a daily requirement of $273. When you account for the 260 standard working days in a calendar year, that figure escalates to $384 per day, or roughly $48 per hour. However, for the visionaries among us who understand the weight of taxes and the friction of modern cost of living, we must look at a more sustainable horizon. To achieve this in 3 years, you must net a surplus of $91 every single day. Over a 5-year horizon, that number drops to $55. This is the price of admission to the 1%. Statistics indicate that individuals who document specific, measurable objectives are 42% more likely to achieve them. Vague intentions yield vague bank accounts. You must write this number down and place it where it haunts your comfort. But understand this: the first $100,000 is not an investment game. It is a psychological siege focused on capital retention. Consider the math provided by the data. If you save $15,000 annually and achieve a 4.5% return, after 6 years you will possess $105,000. Here is the staggering reality: 85% of that wealth came from your discipline in saving, while only 15% came from market returns. Even if you were a Tier 1 investor yielding 20% returns, a feat that matches the legends of Wall Street like Warren Buffett, your savings would still account for 60% of that first $100,000. The first 6 figures of your net worth are built by the sweat of your brow and the restraint of your ego. Do not look to the markets to save you until you have built the foundation to be saved. You are the engine, the market is merely the tailwind. Point 2. Architecting a personal monopoly. To generate $384 of surplus every day, you cannot be a commodity. In an economy increasingly dominated by generative artificial intelligence, the average professional is becoming obsolete. To survive, you must become hard to replace. You must build what we call a personal monopoly. Consider the hierarchy of value. A general practitioner is essential, but they are replaceable by a network of other practitioners. However, a world-class neurosurgeon who specializes in a rare, high-stakes procedure operates in a vacuum of competition. They do not ask for a raise. The market begs for their time. You do not need to hold a scalpel, but you must possess a skill set that cannot be outsourced to a server farm in Silicon Valley. Physical constraint specialists, electricians, HVAC engineers, high-end plumbers possess a defense against AI that many white-collar managers lack. They operate in the physical world where code cannot reach. Alternatively, you must master the art of human synthesis. While AI can generate text, it cannot forge a deep, visceral human connection or provide a nuanced, original perspective born of unique experience. As the world becomes flooded with synthetic robotic communication, the value of individuality will skyrocket. Ask yourself, if you were deleted from your company tomorrow, could they find your replacement in a week? If the answer is yes, you are in a state of extreme financial fragility. You must pivot. You must stack skills, combining technical proficiency with high-level communication to create a unique value proposition that commands a premium. What is the one skill you possess that an AI cannot replicate in the next 5 years? If you cannot name it, you are at risk. Identify your unfair advantage in the comments below. Point 3. Capital efficiency over performative frugality. The average financial advice tells you to skip your daily coffee. This is small-minded thinking for small-minded people. The elite do not focus on micro savings. They focus on capital efficiency and the optimization of the big three: housing, transportation, and food. If you are paying $3,000 a month in rent to live in a zip code that strokes your ego but drains your future, you are making a tactical error. Relocating 15 minutes away or restructuring your living situation to save $500 a month is not being cheap. It is being intentional. That $500 is not just cash, it is the seed capital for your freedom. For our audience in the United States, your greatest enemy is not the barista at Starbucks. It is the silent erosion of your purchasing power and the inefficiency of your debt. A 1% difference in your mortgage rate or a strategic refinancing of high-interest loans can save you tens of thousands of dollars, far more than a lifetime of skipped lattes ever could. We utilize the 24-hour rule, not as a tool for deprivation, but as a mechanism for dopamine management. Before any non-essential purchase exceeding $100, you must wait 24 hours. Most consumption is an emotional response to stress or a desire for status. By forcing a delay, you allow your rational mind to override your impulsive lizard brain. Do not buy things to impress people you do not like with money you do not have. Be deliberate. High net worth individuals are not cheap. They are clinical about where their capital is deployed. They treat every dollar like a soldier sent out to capture more territory. If you waste your soldiers on trinkets, your empire will never rise. Point 4. Eliminating decision fatigue through automation. Willpower is a finite resource. If you have to wake up every morning and decide to be disciplined, you will eventually fail. The system is designed to wear you down until you seek comfort in spending. The solution is to remove yourself from the equation. You must design a financial autopilot. The most successful members of the 1% are those who pay themselves first through automated systems. Whether it is a 401k, a Roth IRA, or a simple brokerage transfer, the money must leave your hands before you have the chance to feel it. If you earn $4,000 every 2 weeks, set an automated command to move $800 into your investment and savings accounts the moment the deposit hits. You must learn to live on the remainder. By shrinking your perceived environment, you force your lifestyle to adapt. Human beings are remarkably resilient. We will survive on what is available. If the money is in your checking account, it is as good as gone. If it is moved automatically into a dedicated wealth-building vehicle, it becomes an invisible foundation. You are not losing money. You are hiring a ghost employee who works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to buy back your future time. We all have that one financial drain, a subscription, a habit, or a recurring expense that we know is holding us back. What is the one invisible leak in your finances that you are committing to plug today? Share it below and let the community hold you accountable. Point 5. The asymmetry of the time value loop. The most difficult aspect of the sovereign protocol is the lack of immediate feedback. In almost every other endeavor, golf, coding, cooking, the results of your actions are instantaneous. In wealth building, there is a massive, agonizing delay between the input and the visible result. This is where the average fail. They follow the protocol for 3 months, see that their life looks exactly the same, and conclude that the system is broken. They return to their old patterns of consumption and immediate gratification. You must understand that building the first $100,000 is like planting a tree that grows underground for the first 4 years. To the outside observer, nothing is happening. But beneath the surface, a massive root system is forming. When the growth finally breaks the surface, it happens with a speed that looks like magic to those who did not see the struggle. Expect a horizon of 4 to 7 years to reach this milestone. This time will pass regardless of your choices. You can arrive at the end of that period with a 6-figure fortress and the power to say no to a toxic boss or a failing industry, or you can arrive with nothing but a collection of outdated gadgets and a pile of receipts. The first $100,000 is the hardest because it requires the most discipline for the least visible reward. But once you reach that summit, the math shifts. Your money begins to earn enough to cover its own growth. You move from the savings phase to the ownership phase. This is where the exponential curve begins. The journey to $100,000 is not about the money itself. It is about the person you must become to earn it. You must become someone who values the future over the present, someone who can stare down the pressure of societal expectations and choose a different path. You are not just building a bank account, you are building a character that is worthy of wealth. As for those of you still watching, those who have the endurance to reach the end of this analysis, here is the ultimate hard truth. The first $100,000 is actually a filter. It is the universe's way of asking you if you truly want freedom or if you just like the idea of it. Once you cross this threshold, you gain the most valuable asset on earth, the power of refusal. You can walk away from bad deals, bad jobs, and bad relationships because you are no longer a slave to the next paycheck. If you have internalized this message and are ready to execute the protocol, comment the secret password, "I am awake." This lets us know who the true visionaries are in our community. If this deep dive provided you with the clarity you needed, show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. We do not ask for your attention lightly. We aim to provide the intellectual leverage you need to win. Share this with one person who is currently trapped in the high-income, zero-wealth cycle. The blueprint is now in your hands. The only thing left is the execution. To continue your education on the traps that await you as your net worth grows, click on the video appearing on your screen now. We will see you there. Stay sharp, stay sovereign, build the future.